Hi, this is video 2 for step 2 of learning how to volunteer at VITA. So in order to volunteer at VITA, there are different tests that you pass in order to volunteer. So in this video, I'm going to talk about creating an account at the IRS. There's a section in the IRS called Link and Learn, and it has a testing area, and you will study and take tests in order to work at VITA. It just depends what you want to do, what tests you take. So I'm going to kind of go over that in the next video, which test is which. But for this video, we're going to create a VITA account. So if you never had one, you need to create one. And if you did volunteer in the past, yeah, you still have an account. Now you'll have to kind of get a new password. You have to go, even if you remember your password, you have to kind of like redo it each year. So you'll go in and select forgot password and make a new password. But before you can do anything to help us at the VITA Intake Center, even just handing out forms and not even doing any tax work, you have to pass at least the standards of conduct. So you're gonna have to get this account set up. So you go out to irs.gov, and there's a link here, irs.gov, and it's gonna take you to I guess I'd call it Link and Learn, and it's pretty easy to get to. You can even like in Google, you can like type Link and Learn, and there it goes. It kind of knows. What else? Oh, you could be at the IRS website, www.irs.gov. Everything we do, every document, every publication is basically somewhere in the IRS website. So you go to the IRS website and learn. All right, and there you go. So you click on stuff. Oh, gotta click on 2 in that case. Okay, so my point being, you got to get out here to Link and Learn. If you are got this piece of paper, you have a link to it. So just do that. So where it takes you is this Link and Learn. And this Link and Learn actually does have links. If you see here, it says click here to see the content of each course. Here's a bunch of links. So depending on what course you want to take, um, you could come here and study for it. So if you wanted to take the standards of conduct, the minimum one, everybody has to take this one. Um, you'd click here and start learning, I guess. But you do have to create an account. So let's go back to that. Okay, so back to the landing page. So when you use that link, right, this link brought us here. Okay, where I want to go is to take tests. Right, so here I can use the software for the practice lab. I can link and learn. I can get information that I might need to pass the tests. But to get my new account started so I can even take tests, I have to come here. So I've clicked on that. All I did was come to Link and Learn and click on VITA Central. I suspect if you were out here and you went VITA Central, well, that's still Link and Learn. Well, anyway, VITA Central. All right. So here we are. We're at the point where uh, we need to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, you're like me, you're going to need to still reset your password. All right, so we'll talk about that. So, but you need an account. Oh, here's the no, that's not the certification. Volunteer standard of conduct. Here's the training for the very minimum thing. Everybody has to take this. All right, so this is just a little handbook, and all the tests are open book, open note. All right, so see up here in the corner where it says sign in or create an account. Okay, you click there. Now it's trying to sign me in, and it might try to sign you in if you worked last year, but you're still gonna, even though it's filling in a password here, it's not gonna like that. So you got to click forget password, and it'll give you a reset if you've already done this stuff. If you haven't already done this stuff, you need to come down here and click create new account. And um, it's just a normal thing. Fake email at gmail.com. So just fill it in with your stuff. Fake already exists. Okay. So let me see here. TAMUK VITA. Call it false email at google.com. So somebody already did a fake email. Okay, so here we go. So there's our email address. Um, test Tamuk student password. So then I'm not going to put any of mine in there, but I'll put in like so you got to have, I think it's 8 lowercase, uppercase, one number, 8 characters, different from login, first name, last name, email, be uncommon. Sometimes you can suggest a password. Okay, there you go. All right, so that's that. Okay, um, give it your home address, give it your parents' address. They have never sent me any mail, so I don't think it really matters. Um, um, I would always put my cell phone in here if I were you. I don't know why you would need to reset it, but I guess if they ever needed to reset you, I think when I reset mine, they send it to my email. But when I reset when I'm actually doing taxes, and they reset it, they send it to my phone. So I would always use, whatever phone is your real phone. So you are going to be a volunteer. Create account. Already exists. Timuk Vita false email already exists. Oh, I'm not very good at coming up with fake emails. Oh, there you go. Welcome to VITA. Okay, there you go. Your login name. You can always do things. So anyway, so now I'm signed in and I can start using VITA Central. All right. So that's signing in. And once you're signed in, so obviously I'm going to log out. So I'm going to create a new one with me. All right. So then when you actually log in with yours, then it's going to take you to VITA Central where you can take the test. So the point is, basically give them your name, address, and phone number, and an email, and now you're logged in, and you can start taking tests. All right, so that pretty much concludes this email. Like I said, if you worked last year, you used the forgot password, and basically that's what I did. I did already. They sent me an email to my Timuk email address because that's what I've been using. And I reset my password and I'm good to go now. All right, so that's it for this video. Good luck creating your account. You can always get with me or Dr. Huff if you have any questions at all creating an account. Okay, well, I guess I will see you on the next video.